Hi Fabian. So as you know, I just love shopping, and you want to see what I got from Itsy Bitsy? Yeah, so I've been planning on to make my own little Ganesha with the natural clay with the DIY kit of Little Birdie. That's a brand of Itsy Bitsy. And I've got a few more supplies from the same store. So I would just like to share that what exactly did I get. So I've got this wooden embroidery ring that's like huge in size. I'm gonna do a little experiment, and I have so many other tools from which I really want to experiment. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. So I've got like few boxes, some gem holders, like really nice holders, and I loved it. I love collecting these quirky little things. I've got one essential, which is like the glue gun stick. I've got one more little cutie here, which is this. I've got one gliding paste which I wanted to use, and one gliding glue, which like I am actually missing from my supplies. And the major thing that I wanted to share with you guys is I got myself a handmade wax stamp, and I'm going to use it soon on my next product. I actually wanted one with the logo of Farben Corner, but right now, since I'm not able to get through a vendor who can provide me these stamps, if you know anybody, let me know. But I'm just loving them, and I'm going to use this on my next big product. I've got one in golden because I'm obsessed with golden, so it's like olive gold. And then I have one spatula. I have a candle at home, so I really don't need it, but I'm good to go. I'm like a lover of new artwork. I love exploring. I have worked with clay before. I had taken up a workshop in Chandigarh. It was a 2-day workshop. Apparently I missed my second day because I was not feeling well. I was maybe feverish or was getting late to get back to Delhi after a workshop, after a resin art workshop I gave out there last August. But it was great, and now I'm going to try my hands on this and hope this comes out nice. Take care.